Alright, what is up everybody? What is up? We are doing the live trading stream. I think I missed most entries, but there is one that was having my attention, and it is Fartcoin. Go figure, right? So, right now we're in Bonk. I got in this one as soon as I woke up. Up 64% over here. We're up 47% over here. 68% over here, and we're up 67% over here. Luckily, I have this other tiny little account that I can play in other things. So we're going to be trading what looks like probably Fartcoin because Ethereum blasted off already. We're crossing that 4465. You're looking at Bitcoin, it's probably going to make a 5% move to the upside, getting you all the way up to 124,000, but that's already taken off. Can't really play with high leverage there. So we are left with just one other thing. What? Hold on, turn on multi-stream. There we go. We're only left with like one other thing. Anything that hasn't taken off yet. I mean, we can see this is already taken off, but we look at Fartcoin. Fartcoin's just getting started, and it does have a 14% day possible that it could be going. So we're gonna jump into Fartcoin. Yep, we're stuck with the farts. Amazing time to be in the market. Fartcoin. So yeah, this is a trade we're jumping in. Probably gonna go 15x on this. Are we here? Okay, cool. Isolated 20x. No, let's go 15 because it is lifted off already. But we're market ordering. We're jumping in here. There you go. So that is that. This one's over on Buy DeFi. Let's start putting in our stop losses and whatnot. Go out to the 15-minute. Moon started. I don't know, maybe. Maybe. 8374. Is that below the low? 8356. Sheesh. Either way. I don't want it going right below that. That works there. And then let's go ahead and grab. Oh, that is the one downside about Buy DeFi, isn't it? That is the one downside. $1.693. $1.693. We got stop loss right there. Actually, we're not even going for the $693. We're doing this little move right here. 95074. 95074. Alright, the goal is for our bonk trade to actually clear so we can get into other trades as well over there on Buy DeFi and everywhere else. So we're going to see how long this takes. Hopefully it's not going to take forever. 95074. 95074. 9505. Sure. Alright, this is the trade we're in. We're currently up 10% on our Fartcoin trade. We are out here doing it. So that's good. Oh, it's just running now. Okay, cool. Once again, we're more than likely going to get that 618 golden retrace, but we are focusing in on the lower time frames. So let's go into our 5-minute and watch this thing work. We are aiming at the 1618. We had a nice pullback, confirmation low. We're watching it rally now. Today should be an extraordinarily good day for trading. Extraordinarily good day. Data came out and oh my god, we were supposed to be afraid of the CPI reading. Yo, what is up? Hey, you stream really well. I love to become your dedicated fan and support you. Mind adding me on Discord? Probably not going to add anybody on Discord. The problem with being a live streamer is you don't get the luxury of adding people on Discord. You can check the panels down below over on Twitch, and you can join my Discord, and we'll see how you do in the community. But yeah. Being a live streamer, being on YouTube, being anywhere in the public eye, we're not allowed to have friends. Otherwise, scammers take full advantage of it. Just kind of is what it is. Is what it is. Alright, so Fartcoin's doing God's work out here. It's just running up. Flying up the ranks again. You're talking about Pepe? Pepe's moving, huh? Is it outperforming Bonk right now? It is. It's outperforming Bonk. It broke out. Beautiful. If we can get a back test, we might actually jump into a Pepe trade. We just might. Evening, Mr. Flounder and chat. What's up? Quite tired. I don't know. I can't read. How you doing today? It's funny that it's evening for you, because it's like 9 a.m. for me. 9 a.m. I like trading around this 9, 10 a.m. time, so it's nice when I have coverage for my children. My mom is taking care of the kids right now. That's the only reason I can be here. So huge shout out for Grandmama Flounder. We all need to give her the praise she deserves. Not only did she raise me, she's helping me raise them kids. Good morning, K-Say. Hey, how you doing? How you doing? Welcome to the live trading. We just got into Fartcoin, but we're already in Bonk. Hey, what we trading today? Right now we're in Fartcoin. Right now. I think I'm going to be able to get into multiple trades this stream. It's going to be really nice. 2 a.m. here. Upside down land. Oh, dang. 2 a.m. Wait, are you in Australia? When you say upside down land, that's all I think. Southern Hemisphere. Which makes me think Australia. No, Grandmama Flounder is the goat. Mama Flounder, she's... I don't... The goddess? I don't know what else to call it. My son is sick today, so he is watching my granddaughter today. It's awesome. I get to trade. That's funny. Well, talk about being a good grandpa. Sheesh. Oh, man. You regularly watch your granddaughter? That's wild. I'm trying to get my mom to regularly watch my kids. It's a very, very tough ask. Mama and grandma, both goats. Yeah. Yeah, in this household, we call her grandma. She no longer is called mom. She's just grandma. It's funny how that changes. Because, like, I grew up all my life calling her mom. And then all of a sudden, it's like, I have kids. Hey, yo, grandma. Like, so funny. Watch her Monday and Tuesday. Oh, nice. Oh, Fartcoin, don't slow down. Also, a little irritating what Bonk is doing. I don't like this consolidation. I don't like it. Makes me think I should have already gotten out. Actually, I probably should have gotten out already. Sheesh. We're gonna have so many trades today. It's gonna be absolutely wild. Almost a first profit taking level. Why are they front running it? Who knows? Who knows? Who knows? By the way, I think I might have done something really bad. Hold on. Let me see real quick. Because normally I don't do live streams at these times. But, yep, our boy is live. If you guys could take a second, go check this guy out. If you could take a second, go check him out. He's live right now. Trade Intuition. You guys can go get some of his alpha, enjoy some of his teachings, and then do whatever you're going to do the rest of the day. But we're live trading over here. If you want any requests or anything like that, jump into his stream. He'll handle your requests. He is currently live right here. Currently live. So you guys can go over there and play around in his chat if you need requests. Because I'm not doing any requests until tonight. Also, tonight is members only chat. Remember that. Tonight is members only chat. So if you're not a member, I won't be chatting with you. If you're not donating, I won't be taking a request either. You can always use the Discord, but, you know, neither here nor there. Also, tomorrow, I'm going to be, in the evening, only live on Pumpkin. So the link is in the description down below. You guys can definitely check it out. What in the world? What happened here? Anyways, you can go check it out. I will be live over here on Pumpkin tomorrow evening. I will not be live on YouTube tomorrow night. During the day, I will be. When I'm doing my live trading, I will be. But not at night. I gave him a like. Let's go! What coins popping off? DZ, all of them. All of them. Literally all of them. CPI data came out. Wall Street realized very quickly they've been overreacting for the last 3 days. So now they have to buy back all the things that they sold off. It's absolutely ridiculous how they overreacted, because they're like, oh my god, what if inflation's hot? There's no jobs, people can't afford anything, but what if it's hot? Stupid. Absolute stupid movements in the market based off a what if tariffs caused a lot of inflation. It's so dumb. So dumb. So yeah, as I mentioned last night, I was like, I don't know how low they're going to try and take it, but once the report comes out, it's probably going to send markets straight back up, and here we are. We're going right back up. So I wasn't too worried about the CPI data, but apparently Wall Street was. Which I still don't understand. But the boogeyman is real strong. The goal in today's stream, hopefully we can get into like 3 trades. Hopefully, if we can find them. So you're probably going to see me comb through a couple of these different things today. Like ZBZN. That's a good pullback. What the hell happened here? So yeah, like ZBZN. This is doing a lot of stuff that I like. Oh, you hit your 618. You're about to confirm a low? Nice. Nice. So yeah, things like this. Where it's like, you popped up to your 618. You're coming down, looking to confirm your low. Once we confirm it, ZBZN might be the trade of the day. Oh shit. What's the percentage here? If we get that confirmation, that's a 12% run. Could be kind of nice. Could be kind of nice. How does that line up with this 618? Lines up pretty damn well. Alright, looks like ZBZN is... We're going to be keeping our eyes on this one. 5 minute looks fantastic. What's our 15 look like? 15 looks good. Oh shit. Alright, ZBZN. On the radar. On the radar. Bonk, you are struggling. Fart coin. What we doing, brother? What time frame do you look for confirmation? Usually the 15 minute. 15 minute works pretty well when the stock market's open. If it's the weekend, I like it on the 1 hour. Weekends have a weird amount of volatility, so I like the confirmation to show up on the 1 hour. If I'm looking at Ethereum or Bitcoin, honestly, all I really need is a 1 to a 5 minute confirmation normally. And then we can trade off those. But everything else, usually the 15 minute, I like that confirmation. If it's something that happens to have a ton of volume in it, you can go with the 5 minute, but you're just risking a lot more. In a dot trade at 382. How you doing? You're trading dot? Does that thing move? I'm doing pretty good. We opened 1 trade so far while we were live. We're up 41% on the trade. Very low amount of money in there, so we're doing okay. My bonk trade from this morning, I'm currently up $1,000 on this account. Up 45% over here. Up 48% over here. And up 48% over here. Doing pretty good. We're green across the board right now. Just waiting for things to hit targets, and then we can jump into others. I'm going to be focusing in on ZBZN. ZBZN looks really good to me right now as the next trade setup. We're right into that opening session orb. Ooh, give us the confirmation. Give us the confirmation. The only downside here is the fact that we have this to contend with. That's going to be really annoying. That could make it to where this trade takes way longer than expected. But it looks cool. I really want to get into this one. If it starts going up, of course. You're up good over the last day? Very nice. Very nice. I don't know. I never really got into trading DOT because it just seems like it hardly ever moves. It's like, goodness, can you go faster, please? I will say Ethereum is just ripping. It's honestly good contender for trying to go up to 48.64. There's not much resistance up here. There is not much resistance up here. You have very little stopping you from hitting a new all-time high for Ethereum. So, Ethereum, super strong. Super strong. You know, Damien said it just stayed overbought. It had a retracement. We had a retracement. We're back at overbought territory, but it retraced. I just don't want ZBZN to start taking off on me. I'd really like it if Fartcoin would finish. Come on, buddy. Get up there. That seems to be the consensus on ETH from everywhere this morning. Yeah. How does Pepe look? Actually, not bad. I was considering trying to get into a trade over there, but ZBZN looked way more attractive. Zora. What about Zora? Is it pumping again? If it's pumping again, I still wouldn't want to touch that thing. It's up so high. Let's go, Fartcoin. Get there. Get there, buddy. It's so close. So close. Especially on the day. We should see at least like a 14% move. I just finish it. Finish the job. Hot air rises. I mean, yeah. Until it becomes cold. That's something that always threw me off about hot air. Hot air rises, and then all of a sudden, if you get high enough in the air, it's like freezing. It's so strange. Why is my wife calling me? Hold on. I'm just going to be silent. All right, I'm back. Dot is still around. Dot is still around. Where do you see crypto market end of August? I believe higher than where it's at right now. I think we're gonna have a very bullish month. Very, very bullish month because all the work, unless Jackson Hole goes completely awry. If Jackson Hole goes bad, then it's gonna really put a damper on the market. But I do believe we're gonna rally all the way till the FOMC meeting in September. That's my belief. Something could change. Something could change. Air has mass, and it's subject to gravity. It can only go so high. It's cold because there isn't any air. You know, that is a solid answer. That's a solid answer. Thin air makes less heat. Yeah, okay, I can see that. I can see that. Don't remind me, DZ. Wait, what? I hope we all make it in crypto. A lot of us are still down overall. That's just poor buying habits from other YouTubers who tell you, if you believe in it, just DCA all the way to zero. Idiots. 88 Link Dot and more. It's all about the meme coins this cycle. I don't think it's as much about the meme coins as people think. ZBZN turning around. Is it? Son of a bitch. Son of a bitch. Fuck. Yeah, it's a great entry right here. Absolute great entry right here. Oh my god. Come on. You're looking for 12% upside. I really want this trade. Can we get out of Fartcoin, please? Or Bonk. I'll take either one. Just hit my target. No big deal. Yeah, ZBZN looks outstanding at these levels. Outstanding for that 12% rally. I guess now we're looking for... It's still 12%. Damn. Oversold on the 5-minute. That's exactly what you want to see. 15-minute. Reset the stochastic. Fantastic. Jesus Christ. Come on, man. I don't want you to take off yet. Please don't take off yet. If you look at others versus Ethereum chart, it is deeply oversold territory. Yeah, the low cap altcoins, they have been absolutely devastated this entire bull run. Absolutely devastated. It's been terrible. Why isn't Monero dumping harder is what I want to know. Probably because it looked really strong on the technicals. So the technical traders are probably buying it. It looked really strong on the technicals. Like it could have a lot of upside. We looked at it last night. Only been this oversold 2 other times. Sweet. So if we do get the money trickling into those low caps, you're going to start seeing some crazy price movements. Absolute crazy price movements. And I'm going to be doing multiple trades on every single one that I can. Oh, thank goodness. ZBZN, chill out, bro. Chill out. I need this to play. Then I need Bonk to play so that we can just start loading up on our ZBZN. I think Bonk's actually setting up for another trade. God dang it. God dang it. What a terrible time. Alright, so Bonk, we are starting to lose this level, which I don't like losing levels. I don't want to be in this while it did the 618 retracement. We're going to take profits on our Bonk trades. So nice little profit taking here. We'll look at it again later. Locking in, what is this? 894? 934. I don't feel bad about it. 871 is what it ended with. Got it. Close that. 42%er. Close this one at a 44%. Great. Close that. I would much prefer to get in something that's about to keep on running. We're leaving our Fartcoin trade open. Bonk pumped on fake hype. The same with Pengu. Those will fail. I don't know what you mean by fake hype. They pumped based off of a launch pad and becoming a validator node. I know you're really biased to Pepe, but spreading bad information, that's just in poor taste. You can't do that. Alrighty, let's see if we're getting our confirmation here. I bought Pepe too late, but I still have hope. Alright. ZBZ, what's Floki doing? Golly. Eagle. Eagle. Holy moly. Where are you headed? No, you're already there. I don't care. Fart coin about to hit? Meaning it was insiders. Interesting. Idiot! I don't know what idiot is. So those of you who don't know why I got out of this, it's the lower high, which means we're probably going to consolidate down. I don't want to be a part of the consolidation. I just want it to keep on rallying to my profit-taking levels. That's literally the only reason why I got out of that. So now we're looking for new setups. Ethereum could be setting up for something soon. Very soon. Interesting. Bitcoin also put in this lower high. So consolidation is here. Consolidation is here. Bonk is basically a casino now, right? Sports betting and meme coins, gambling things. Probably is. Probably is. Or you check on SQD. I don't want to trade that. I don't even know if I can trade that. Can't trade it there. I can trade it here. Interesting. Interesting. Let's see what the chart looks like. Wow, this actually might be a viable trade. Holy shit. Good call. Good call. Where can I trade it on BloFin though? SQD. I can. Ooh. All right, we're gonna go look at the chart. It's worth taking a little look-a-rooney here. SQD. SQD. Oh, nice. Yeah, this is set up for a trade. Huh. Go figure. What's our percentage here? Well, nice little 4%er. Yeah, we can take a little jab at it. Why not? What are you talking about? Fill the damn trade. God damn it. All right, 14,227. Ooh, that's a tighter stop loss than I was expecting, isn't it? There we are. And by the way, guys, we're currently using BloFin right now. You guys should definitely decide if you want to take advantage of some amazing trading bonuses. Link is in the description, in the caption even, where you guys can get amazing 20% rebates on your trades, so you can make some money from trading, and then you can enjoy the gains. So yeah, SQD, we're in the trade now. We're going to see how this thing pans out. Fart coin, how we doing? Fart coin just hit, baby. We took full profit on fart. Woo! All right. I guess we can get in over here as well. We're going to go with isolated and 25x. There we go. There we go. What are you talking about? There. Yeah, that's the thing I dislike about buy DeFi. I don't have all of the tools to do my measured moves. I don't have those. 15161. 15161. 15161. Can you do TA on SQD tonight? Maybe. You longing after the market pumped? You gotta realize certain things pumped, not everything pumped. Also, who's trying to go short today? I don't think that's a good idea. I don't think that's a good idea at all. 15161. 15161. 15161. 15161. 1516. There we go. Thanks, Chief. No problem, DZ. If I remember it, I'm not writing anything down, so as long as I remember, yeah, we could check it out. I don't mind. I'm trading it right now, after all. Currently up 1.5% on BloFin. Great. We are currently down a little bit on buy deep. Nope, we're up 5%. Just down. The fluctuation is real. The fluctuation. I need to find another trade for this exchange and this exchange. Great. Awesome. Love it. I'll do that later. At your watch list today, I'll have crazy pumps. Yeah, a lot of things have crazy pumps coming. So let's first off put SQD. Let's put this thing on the watch list so I don't forget about it. But let's go ahead and look at what just happened with Fartcoin. Fartcoin, we hit our target. That was the alert that we heard. So go Fartcoin. Definitely still has more in the tank for anybody who's looking. The next target you're looking for is $1. So hitting that $1 mark, it's likely to happen. Very likely to happen, but we stick to our plan. No matter what the market's doing, we stick to our plan. As we look back at Bonk, you can see the consolidation that's still happening, but the 5-minute is giving you a lot of hope. We're still holding on to the same level here that I got out on. So we'll see if it decides to rally on. Bonk, technically speaking, you are looking for it to get up to this 2, 6, 7, 8 level. So it could just be gathering up as much energy as it can before you keep on going to the upside. So 5 minutes resetting nicely. It's, I think, the 15 that's a little high. Yeah, your 15's a little high, so you're just waiting for that to reset. If it does come back down, likely to see this level at 2473 as a good entry point, and that's only if it comes down. We'll see. Going back to SQD, we're focusing in on this one. We are coming out of the bearish control zone on our RSI. We're getting our stochastic to start curving up for us. We're fighting with the VWAP. It's no real big deal here. No real big deal. As long as Bitcoin doesn't do a sharp pullback, I believe we're going to be okay for this 4.8% move. Now, I also need to find another trade for the copy traders on buy DeFi, so I'll be on the lookout for that. I mean, maybe we'll get back into Bonk or something, but we already clocked in over 800 on the day, so technically speaking, I don't have to trade anymore today. Quota has been met. Quota's been met. Now I just want to build on all the other accounts. It's really all I want to do at this point. Build, build, build. The more I can build, the better it'll be. I don't like that. So, you can see right now what's happening with Bonk. It's trying to go for that reset. This is what we don't hang out in. We don't care about that. We care about what's the next move. That's all we care about. Scalping, baby. Scalping. Shit. ZBZN. I forgot about it. Shit. We're getting into ZBZN, damn it. So this right here is how I start showing you all the random gains that I get. Maybe I'll just start posting them again. Who knows? Who knows? But ZBZN, we gotta hop in here. Actually, we might be able to do a 25x for this bad boy, which would be great. For a 12% move, I am so game. So very game. Can we get the stop loss down there? Yes, we can. So, stop loss sitting down here at 48223. 48223. There we go. Risking 45%. So, what that is this wick back here. That's what I'm focused on, is this wick back here. Should not fall below that if we are maintaining a confirming a level here. I should not have to worry about it. So then we're going to be taking our profit at the 618 up here. So 54165. I'm not going to worry about the 1618. I'm just going to worry about this 618. 54165. 54. That is a 10% move. Oh, 54165. 54165. 54165. 54. There we go. This is for a 257% move. Let's see if we get it. This is a 25x long. I believe we can do it over here as well. Z B C. There we go. There we go. I guess we can only go 20x on here. That's fine. That's fine. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. I'm on the 15, right? Good. Good. Oh shit, I got that level wrong. Oh, wait a minute. Wait a minute. Almost did a poopsie doopsie. Almost did it. There it is. There we go. Alright, we're in ZBZN. Great. Oh, this one's doing well. This one's in the green for now. Barely in the green. We're in the red over here. We're not green across the board. Bonk is about to be red on the day. Yeah, man. Things will fluctuate. Things will fluctuate. That's not weird. So, this is the trade we are currently in. We're going to be paying attention to the 786, 886 levels. This could pose a little bit of a problem if ZBZN doesn't catch the bids that I think it's going to catch. So just something to keep in mind. We almost got the 50% retrace. I think we're going to get that 618 as a nice little pop to the upside till the end of the day. We'll see how it goes though. We shall see. But we're in the trades. We are in the trades. I'm only missing one for the copy trade. Actually, I'm not going to bother with that account. I'm not going to trade on there today. Not anymore. Unless we find something that looks as good as ZBZN. This actually looks phenomenal. I love this setup to go up to the 54915, but with the 618 sitting back here, I always got to be a little more cautious of that 618 than trying to get the full 1618. Just how I play the game, y'all. Just how I play the game. Still could get stopped out, though. Remember, there's always risks. Still could get stopped out. Daily goal hit. Exactly. My daily goal is hit as well. So all of this is just for your viewing pleasure. Normally speaking, I'd probably just like go play with the kids right now. Congrats on today as well, Porky. Thank you, man. We needed the win. We needed the win. School starts next week. School starts next week for you? I think for us it's another week after that. I think. I'm not all the way sure. Well, yeah, I think for school starting soon though. Then I'm gonna have to worry about dropping the kids off and oh man. Oh man. Mm-mm-mm. 20th for the kids. Nice. Let's check in on our other trade. What are we doing? The VWAP really that strong? SQD? What we doing, bro? Let's go out to the daily real quick. Oh, that's the problem. You're below your 200. Oh, shit. Oh, motherfucker. Please tell me you don't need to touch this level again. You already touched it 3 freaking times. Be the high or low that I know you can be. Oh my goodness. I should have looked at the daily. God damn it. I might have fucked up on SQD. I might have fucked up on SQD. Shit. We have a lower high as well. Good God, what in the world? Longer time frame, as long as you stay above 12.96, you're looking fantastic for huge upside potential on this thing. Short term, a little more questionable. A little more questionable. SQD no good? No, I'm not saying it's no good. It looks phenomenal on the daily. It's just SQD, what leverage am I on? I'm on 25x leverage. That's the only way that it's like, oh no, I might have fucked up. Damn it, I didn't look at the daily. Yeah, that's my bad, but we'll see what happens. We will see what happens. Keep moving, ZBZN. Yeah, ZBZN, it's just stalling out a bit. The whole market's basically taking a little breath, which this is common, especially going into that 10 o'clock time for me. But after 10 o'clock, I don't know what happens. Maybe all Wall Street guys go to lunch or something, but usually we start getting some movement again. Isn't it great to have a sub 3-hour workday and then just do whatever you want? It is so nice. I remember there was one day, my wife, I don't know what happened at Market Open. It was crazy volatile, this random Market Open. I was trading. My wife was like driving to work. She ended up texting me because we didn't really talk before she left. And she's like, oh, hey, how you doing? I was like, I'm up $2,000. I'm pretty good. She's like, what the fuck? And noted, she was about to do a 12-hour shift. 12-hour shift where she was just like, $2,000. You just made more than I make in like a week on my drive to work? What the fuck? And I was like, yeah, I know. It's trading. She was just sitting there. She's like, oh my gosh. That is ridiculous. I was like, hey, it's just a volatile morning. This doesn't happen all the time. Yeah, she felt all sorts of type of way that day. She got home, she was like irritated, and I was like, are you mad that I made money? And she's like, sort of, yeah. Your wife a nurse? She is a nurse. She is a nurse. So literally, it was like by 7 in the morning, I beat out her weekly income. She's an LVN, not an RN. But you know, like today, where I end up telling her, "Oh yeah, we pulled in 800." She'll be like, "What? God damn it!" Knew it when you said you work 12-hour shifts. Yeah, there aren't many professions out there that do that. There aren't many. Oh, ZBZN finding some issues. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, that's not good. You kidding me? A nice thing that could happen, if we end up hitting this level one more time on the 5-minute, I can raise my stop loss straight to these wick lows. Oh, I guess it doesn't want to do that. ZBZN just wanted to get everybody scared? What are you doing? Alright, ZBZN. Alright, you play your games. That popped, right? I mean, we didn't go long for no reason. I told you, I like the confirmation lows, especially when you see it after the 618. This thing is probably going to pop off today. Like, literally, the next move is to go all the way up here. It's kind of stupid when you find these. It's like, oh, sweet. For those of you who always wonder what I mean whenever I say confirmation low, this is what I mean. You break out, you hit your 618, you come down, you confirm the low, then you rally again. That's what I'm talking about every time I say it. What would be even better is if we broke out of this downtrend, made a higher low, and then rallied. If we get that higher low, that's just added confirmation, raise your stop loss, and enjoy. But at the higher low mark, you can raise it into profit. So that makes it even more fun. You can just walk away from the computer and you don't have to think about it. You're like, okay, I can't lose money anymore because my stop loss is in profit. But SQD finding a lot of trouble here. SQD has me slightly worried because we could come back down to this wick low. It could wick us out, which that would suck. That would really suck. Now that I think about it, shit. This thing can come all the way back down. Oh, don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. See, this is what I mean by I should have looked at the daily. I think I screwed myself on this trade. I really think I screwed myself on this trade. That's unfortunate. Good thing I'm not trading large sums of money here. Good thing. It got into the profit-taking zone. It's pulling back. But you bounced off your orb. That's kind of why I got excited about it. But god damn it, you're making another lower high. Alright, SQD, I think we need to bail on it. That's really unfortunate. I think we have to bail on it. Damn, 5 minutes not looking good. 15-minute looks better, but it's not great. Don't do it, SQD. Don't do it. Well, it just, after I looked at the daily time frame, it gave me a reason to be scared. And now that I'm looking at it objectively here, it's like, oh, we do kind of want it to come back down to 13,994. So I fucked up. Live on stream, we're now praying that it doesn't come down. Like, that's all it is. If it doesn't come down, we got lucky. That's really all it is. We got lucky. Which, Trading off luck, not really a good thing. Not really a good thing. Oh man. The praying and hoping is for something like, let's go to the 1 hour so I can see it. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. We hit the 618. Oh geez. Yeah, we're probably coming down to 1296. Damn it. Nah, I fucked up on SQD. That's unfortunate. I'm gonna leave it in for now, but I think I messed up. Sorry, everyone. That's your downtrend. We got a break. Ugh. Gross. Gross. That's gross. Looks so bad. Oh, let's hope the 50 can hold us up. 50 simple, hold us up. Come on, buddy. We're trying to trade off luck now. We're trading off luck. Oh, boy. Oh, boy. We're trading off luck, hopes, and dreams. Stay above 14,346. Previous levels of resistance could act as a support, and we bounce off of it. That is our hopium right there. That is our hopium. Going back to ZBZN. ZBZN struggling to get out of that orb. Struggling really hard. It's being lame right now. Yeah, it's struggling. It be struggling, yo. It's probably because Bitcoin and Ethereum are probably struggling a little bit as well. God, it's now starting to feel like this stream might take a lot longer. This stream might take a lot longer. Oh boy. How long have we been live? We've been live for almost an hour. We executed one trade on Fartcoin, so that was good. Let's see how it's consolidating now. Nice consolidation. Sweet. Might get a continuation later in the day. Bonk starting to get a little life back in it. Let's go. Bonk has now reset the 5-minute. So it could be looking to make that next leg higher. Sweet. Ethereum, what we doing? Ethereum. Holy shit. Holy shit. 45.15 target? Could be. We'll see. Bitcoin about to get its breakout? Oh shit. Realistically, I should probably switch out the SQD for Bitcoin trade. You hit it once, you hit it twice. All you gotta do is stay above this level on the 1 minute, and you're good. Gotta get that confirmed breakout, though. Gotta get the confirmed breakout for Bitcoin. Nice little falling wedge action. Huh. Oh, there it goes. Bitcoin about to help us out. He's going all-time high today. It's a possibility. I'm really banking on Bitcoin and Ethereum to keep on rallying to save my SQD trade. Like, really, that's what I'm banking on here. But getting into a long on Bitcoin kind of makes sense right now. Kind of makes sense. Hopefully the market makers don't do anything crazy. But could be seeing 120,611. Oh, that's a pretty little 80% move. Or sorry, 0.8. Sorry. Maybe I should stop thinking of Bitcoin as only 100x and higher. Oh my god. Oh, it's so bad. That's so bad. Oh my Lanta. That's so bad. Except for on my copy trade account, I can't do 100x on Bitcoin. What can I do? What can I do? Hey. Alright. It allows me to do 50x. You know what? I feel comfortable with 50x. I feel comfortable with that. I feel comfortable with that. Take a look at BTC dominance. No. Oh, damn. Didn't realize ETH is so close to breaking its all-time high. Yeah, it's pretty close. It is pretty close. There you go. What's the target on this thing? Let's target 120,611. 120,611. 120,611. God dang it. Okay, we'll just put it there. My hand is cramping. No. We just entered a 50x long on Bitcoin. Let's see if we get stopped out. Let's see it. Oh, looks like we're gonna get stopped. That's too bad. That's too bad. We're falling back in. No. Oh, we're going back up. Yay. I don't think Bitcoin going up right now would actually wreck the alts. I think right now it would help the alts a lot. A lot. Oh. We just went long on Bitcoin. Let's see what it does. Oh man, we almost got stopped out. Ah! It's all a scam. It's all fake. We're losing it. It's going to zero, man. It's going to zero, bro. No doubt. Get stopped. You no doubt I'm getting stopped out? Dang. You're calling me greedy on the day? Sheesh. Damn, bro. That's just mean. That's just mean. It's not nice. You're saying I'm gonna get stopped out. You're being a big old meanie face. Stop it. You big old meanie face. We're not stopped. Nobody stopped. The girls never came. The girls, they just never came, man. Never came. Brad and Larson have dumped so many XRP tokens. Nah, XRP is dead. Too much FUD and lies on XRP. There's never too much FUD and lies. There's never too much. Wow, Bonk. Getting that revitalization. I would need the confirmation now. That's kind of the disappointing thing on Bonk. But you did break out. Bonk ready to continue its rally. Fartcoin still going. We already took our profits. We don't care. We don't care. What we care about is Bitcoin right now. This is what we really care about. Right here, brother. Right there. Because the higher Bitcoin can go, hopefully SQD can go up. SQD is the bad trade we are in. SQD is the bad one. ZBZN looks pretty damn good in my opinion, but SQD, that was a bad trade. So I'm open about saying it because I did not look at the daily time frame for it, and I should have. I really should have, but I didn't. So now Bitcoin, Captain Save-A-Ho, come on, man. And don't turn around at 19,938 either. Don't you turn around at your 618. Just keep on pushing, buddy. Keep on pushing. Pepe to the moon. Maybe. Pepe is currently up. It's almost 7%. Fartcoin's outpacing it. Fartcoin is outpacing it. The farts are really stinking it up out here, Jim. They're really stinking it up. They took our jobs. BTC must save us. They must save the SQD trade. They must save the SQD trade. The 1 minute's not doing us any favors. Let's go to the 5 minute. It looks better. Come on, 5 minute. Don't require a confirmation. Just don't do that. Fartcoin also dumped 20%. Oh, we want to talk about how far Pepe dumped. Come on, man. Pepe's not even going to break out of its consolidation until like November. Pepe's range-bound trading. That's all it is. It's range-bound trading. No! SQD. So this is what I'm talking about. We're getting screwed over here. Absolute dumpster fire. Terrible trade on my part. My bad, everybody. My bad. I fucked up. I own it. But I fucked up. Needed to wait for this. Shit. Like, why don't you just get out of the trade? Because we haven't broken this level yet. Once we break the level, then I can be like, okay, now there's a reason to get out of the trade. Till we break 14,346, there's still not a reason. So, it's unfortunate. Unfortunate. The fortunate thing, though, Bitcoin's still moving. We're still out here making that dough. We're up another $247 on the day. We're doing all right. SQD is pooping on our souls. Just pooping on us. It doesn't even feel nice. It's all squishy and warm. It's so bad. The difference is Fartcoin will 5x, Pepe will 10 to 15x from here. Doesn't Pepe have a higher market cap than Fartcoin? That doesn't make sense. You took profit on your 10x long on Solana today. Take profit at 186 entry. Was 171. Sweet. Sweet. Oh my god, Giga Chad is in the shitter. Yeah, Giga Chad got pooped on. Somebody asked about it the other day on stream. I was like, ooh. Should have a lot of upside though. Come on, Bitcoin, do your thing. I needed to reset the stochastic on the 1 minute. Once it resets the stochastic on the 1 minute, I can then raise my stop loss. Till that happens, we get to live in fear. We get to live in fear. Yes, at the volume Pepe has 5 times the volume. It makes sense because Fartcoin, what is it? An AI coin? A meme coin? We just don't even know. You think Giga Chad could have Moodang upside? Maybe. I don't know. I don't have a crystal ball, man. Solana started acting right again. Yeah, Solana started moving pretty well. Remember, Solana's like, you're only on a 10x long? If I was on a 10x, I wouldn't have taken profit till like 219 for Solana. Remember, that's still the 618 golden retrace for Solana. No real reason for it not to get up there. I mean, the main reason I would look for is Grayscale gets their spot ETF approved. Then I'd be like, uh-oh, we're about to have some buying opportunities on Solana. Soon as that thing gets approved, if it's not already, then it's like, oh, here comes the sell pressure. So. Oh, come on, Bitcoin. Don't stall on us now. This was once resistance. Don't act, or support. Don't act like it's resistance now. Don't do it. You're right, Dog and Me has best potential for gains. I mean, Dog and Me looked really good on the chart. It looked really good on the chart. Unless you're day trading like what I'm doing, there's no real sense in bouncing around your spot holdings. No real sense in it. But also, I mean, spot holding meme coins for long term, you are much braver than I am. It was Bitcoin futures. They limit you to 10x on Solana. See, Coinbase sucks. That's why you should join BloFin, a wonderful partner, or not partner, but affiliation to the stream. You guys should join it, where even you can watch me lose on a 30x long on SQD. I mean, it's funny. We get a win off Bonk, we get a win off Fartcoin, and then SQD pooping on our souls. Just pooping on it. So darn poopy. Did SQG just get a jump? How are we down 9% over here? What are we down over here? Oh wait, ZBZN. We're down? ZBZN? Dang. Too bad. For those of you who didn't catch the ZBZN trade, which we are currently sitting in and waiting for it to do something, maybe it comes down for a confirmation again, a third touch, who knows. But what I'm seeing here is a confirmation low after a breakout in a 618 golden retrace. We're looking for 10% upside, getting you to this golden retrace. This is showing me all the signs of greatness. Mexi, but when I want another exchange, I'll use your BloFin link for sure. Sweet. We have multiples. Weeks, BloFin, BuyDefi, BitUnex. I like having multiple options because also a lot of these exchanges, they hold different tokens. So like the SQD trade we got into, we have it on BloFin. We also have it on BuyDefi, but we did not have it on Weeks, and I didn't even look if it was on BitUnex. It was BitUnex we got into ZBZN. But yeah, having multiple options, it helps a lot. Get into all sorts of things. Get all sorts of trouble. Is Sol going to break this resistance? I don't know. Depends on Wall Street, if they're going to keep being bullish or not. All depends on the street. We'll see what them hoes do. Alright, Bitcoin, figure it out, buddy. Figure it out, bud. Or get that 200 above my stop loss. I'd be okay with that too. I'd be a-okay with that. Currently in the profit on our corn trade. Oh, we're only up 144 now. No. It's too bad. SQD. Coming back. Oh, never mind. We're coming back, man. It is trying to come back. Hold on. We're not down and out, baby. We're not down and out. Probably the worst looking trade that we got into today. SQD. Bitcoin has a chance to save us. It has a chance of saving us. Every red candle is not saving us. It's just letting us drown in a sea of sorrow. Oh boy. So yeah, on the agenda today, when we're done with this live stream, I'm going to be taking the kids to the pool today. Then we're going to go play outside. And it's going to be a fun day because I already worked for the day. I only had to train one person. And now I'm just going to be active with the kids. It's going to be a good day. And then I'll be here for the members only chat tonight, where if you're not a member, I won't be talking to you. So yeah. A reminder, tomorrow we have the exclusive evening stream on Pumpkin. So if you're not on Pumpkin, then I won't be taking your request. Just kind of plain and simple. Honestly, I also don't really know how it's gonna work out because I'm supposed to have other people in the stream with me that I'm talking to. We'll see how it goes. It should be interesting. Should be interesting. But yeah, if you guys want to join Pumpkin, hit up this link, make a little profile or an account, I guess. It is integrated with Hyperliquid, so you can actually do all of your trading. Anytime you're watching a live stream and there's live trading, you can auto copy trade whoever the streamer is. It's kind of amazing. You also get these things called pumpkin seeds just for viewing, and in Q4 they're going to be launching their pump token, pump for pumpkin token, and then it's supposed to be an exchange of every 10 pump tokens will equate to $1. So, you know, they're going to pay you for your viewership of people that are possibly making you money. They're already getting their sponsorships, they're raising money, they're doing all the stuff in the things. So, definitely worth checking out. It is a new and upcoming platform, and if you happen to be a streamer, you can also join the platform and stream yourself. You get more pumpkin seeds for actually streaming. For like an hour, you get a streaming bonus. So, something worth looking into. No VPN required, no KYC, none of that, because it is utilizing a DEX, and it is not utilizing a centralized exchange. So, think of it as the trading of Facebook. Let's look at it like that. Facebook Marketplace trading. Sure. I can get behind that. Or maybe it's like the Craigslist. Maybe we'll start seeing some feet pictures out there or something. Who knows? Who knows? World is our oyster at this point. Wow, look at Bonk. Look at Bonk continue its rally. Holy. It's just doing it. Just doing it. It would have hit the 1618 already, but remember the real target up here, 2678. I just didn't want to sit in there for it. Didn't want to do it. Looking in at Fartcoin. Still chugging along, trying to get up there. Still chugging along. Checking in on SQD. SQD. Bouncing off the 50. Let's go! Oh, ZBZN messing around. Isn't that just what it does? That's normal. It'll probably be messing around all day. I don't really care because I got in based off of the confirmation low after a 618 golden retrace, and my stop loss is below this wick low. So if they decide to stop me out, well, then they weren't bullish anyways. If they decide to get a confirmation low of this crap, I'm going to be a little irritated, but it's fine. I can just get back in the trade. I don't care. But hopefully that doesn't happen. Hopefully the trade just pans out. We get that 10% upside. If they really do want to get that confirmation low down here, that is going to be frustrating because you did not hit a 50% retrace. You did not. Hitting the 618 makes sense. We'll see what happens. Yo, what's up, Steve? How you doing? Let's check back in with the corn that is saving the market. Let's go, corn! Woo! Oh, Bitcoin, you sexy little devil, you. You just reset your stochastic on the 1 minute. I could raise my stop loss right now if I feel like it. Oh, hot damn. Oh, hot damn. Stop loss can be risen all the way up to 119,687. Let's go. You're good? Nice, Steve. But why not? Why are you not great? We just had another reading where apparently tariff inflation is only affecting businesses and not the consumer. Maybe if consumers could find jobs, they could be affected, but until then, I don't think it's gonna really matter. Save us, almighty Bitcoin. No! He doesn't like being called almighty. He likes to be anonymous. Oh, man. You know, all this excitement is for Bitcoin to go up 0.8%. That's all we want. 0.8%. Oh boy. I am tired. I got to bed late. I was watching the market last night. It was funny as it started it was going up. Then it was going down. It was going up, going down. Going up, going down. The Bulls and the Bears, they were having a real conversation last night. It was crazy. That had me interested in it for hours. It was really bad. I was like, I should trade this. And then, deep down, it was like, don't be dumb. Don't trade this nonsense. Wait for the morning. Okay, I'll wait. So then I did. Trade Intuition sent me here. You stream from his storage room? Sure. Yeah, definitely in his storage room. Why not? Oh, man. We're coming down. We're coming down. Oh, man. We're not coming down no more. Yeah, we are. We're going down. We're going down. Oh. Yeah, we're waiting for Bitcoin to save us. Save us all. Fartcoin's still running. Bonk's still running. Everything's running so fast. Trade pumps you up all the time. He's a nice guy, man. I was telling everybody, if you have chart requests today, go check him out. Already shouted him out in the stream. Everybody should definitely check him out. Purple hickeys are the best. Interesting. I'm going to start streaming from a janitor's closet if BTC doesn't save us. Do it! Do it! I can actually hear my daughter yelling and stuff in the other room. Makes me happy to be in the garage. Makes me happy. Douchey is vinegar and water. Interesting. Is it douchey or douchey? Is the garage your man cave? Sort of. Yeah, my man cave with a plethora of children's toys and random nonsense. It's fantastic in here. No, it's like my little getaway from the whole family. It's the best area to get away from everyone. I love it. So I set up my computer in here and I was like, I'm going to spend as many hours as I can in here. It's going to be fantastic. Dutch? Oh, it's Dutch. Dutchy? We need a man cave tour. No, the hell you don't. This place is a mess. This place looks terrible. There's one clean area in here. It's my desk. That's it. In the Netherlands? Holland? Does it rain a lot out there? That's genuine curiosity. Oh, sweet. We can actually raise our stop loss. We got a confirmation low? Oh, it's right at entry. Ugh. I don't really like to raise it to there. But we're going to raise our stop loss. Well, there we go. We are officially risking no money. We are in profit. We are in profit. So if we do fall below that, well, too bad, so sad. We end up stopped out in profit. That's good. Let's see if it happens. All right. SQD. Oh, dang! You know what? This got a lot better on SQD. A lot better. If ZBZN could just stop doing the opposite of Bitcoin, that would be really helpful. 31 degrees today. Sunny. You're in Fahrenheit. What is that? What is that? You know what? We're going to go to Google for this one. We're going to go to Google. Go back to Bitcoin. Okay, there you go. All right, let's go to Google real quick. Allow this time. 31 degrees Celsius into Fahrenheit.
31 degrees Celsius is equivalent to 87.8 degrees Fahrenheit.
Wow. Approximately 90, wait, or 6 feet. What? 90 miles an hour? 90 mph. I don't even know what that means. 31 Celsius here in Toronto. So yeah, you guys are sitting at nearly a 90-degree weather. Nice. Feels a lot like summer out there. ZBZN doing terrible things to us. No. Terrible things to us. Let's check in on it. Oof. Oof. We're confirming a low. You know what? That's not bad. Let's check the 5. Ugh. Not ideal for the 5. Below our orb, too. That's frustrating. So gosh darn frustrating. When will you just run? Just run. Be with the ponies. Let's see that horsepower. Let's see it. Let's see it, gosh darn it. There's going to be some low time frame traders taking profit at 49749. Jerks. The jerks. The jerks. Let's just stay on Bitcoin, because Bitcoin be moving. I smashed the like. I promised Joe. Dang. We're gonna have to go back over to Joe and be like, "Hey man, thank you so much." Honestly, Joe's the best. Joe is the best. You know what? We're gonna steal some of his content right now. We're gonna steal. Where'd he go? Hold on. We lost him. Son of a no. I'm gonna have to rewatch this later. You are the best, always. Everybody, go consume his content. Go hit the like button. Go do all that. Go look at his stuff. Do it! Alright? Anyways. Pepe's pumping. Pepe's up 1% more since we looked at it last. Sweet. Oh, wait, no, 2%. Pump away, Pepe. Pump away! Let's go. Go, Pepe, go. Joe Swanson. Joe Swanson. Oh, man. Golly gee. You know what? Bitcoin is playing with our hearts. Just playing with our hearts. We're hitting a 50%. We're about to get stopped out in profit. Unfortunate. Bitcoin, what are we doing? Oh, watch it as we get stopped out in profit. Live on stream. Live. We're getting stopped out with a measly 1%. Oh no. There it is. We got our 1%. Ah! It's too bad. Too bad. But we did not lose money. That's all that matters. We did not lose money. That's a sharp decline. That's getting alarming. Let's see if we fall below this level at 19,552. That could get real alarming real quick. Uh-oh, Larry. Uh-oh. Losing the 200 on the 1 minute. Oh, no. Going to 0 for sure. 0 for sure. Oh, will we be able to re-enter? Will we do it? Oh, we are still in ZBZN. We're still in SQD. Bitcoin trying to play hardball out here, trying to get people scared, while others are taking like, what kind of 1 minute trader takes profit at the 50% retrace? Who does that? Unreal. Unreal. The nerve of these guys. At this rate, go down and touch 19,372. Just go do it. Go do it. I dare you. Go do it. If we set up a lower high than this, it's going to be a pretty dark day. Pretty dark day. I'm probably going to just stop trading for now and then look back into it later. Probably. Oh no. Oh no. This is starting to get real ugly for the corn. What's ETH doing? Is ETH saving us? ETH doing the same thing. Oh, starting to look nasty. Some bitch out there. It's just longs taking profit. That's really all it is. SQD still fine. ZBZN still fine because they like to, ZBZN especially, they like to do the exact opposite of what Bitcoin's doing. I believe JB pointed this out one day. It was like, oh, ZBZN doing the exact opposite of Bitcoin? How strange. I was like, you know what? He's right. It actually does do the exact opposite all the time. Looks like we're finding support off that 19,372. We dared it. It did it. Hidden bullish divergence achieved. Oh boy. Might be time to get back in again. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Do we take the risk? Do we take the risk? You always got to phone in to the 15-minute time frame to check, especially during normal business hours. 15-minute. It's not too shabby. It's not too shabby. We could see a bit more downside though, coming back down to 18,989. How much profit taking we looking at here, buddy? How much profit taking we looking at here? Let's check out our heat map. Let's just take a gander at it. Oh, there's so much liquidity right overhead. Holy crap. Holy crap. 54 million. Sitting at 120,268. Oh boy. Let's check out Ethereum. I took that ZBZN trade with me. Nice. ETH. Symbol. Oh. Oh. Wait, there's more. It went back to the exchange. Okay, on Symbol, $198 million is sitting at 120,268. Wow. Let's check out Ethereum. What do we got here? We have a little bit more liquidity to the... That's 144 million? Damn, brother. We already took out 208 million on Ethereum. That's amazing. That is amazing. I feel a little bad for the shorts because they didn't realize that report was gonna be just fine. Bitcoin catching bids right now. Nice. We might be able to get into another long. We might be able to. Who knows? I don't. I would love to see it break and touch this thing again. That's what I want to see now. You done messed up, Bitcoin. You done messed up. Now I don't want to trade you no more. It's like the Sandlot. Now we can't play no more. It's too bad. It's too bad. We'll see what it does throughout the day. Let's see if we're still in viable trades. So ZBZN looks great. It really does. You confirmed your low again. I can raise my stop loss up to 48719. I think we're gonna do that. Where is ZBZN? Wait, what? Here it is. Okay, let's raise this stop loss up. We're gonna raise on up here, so we're just lowering our risk. I do not want to see it fall below that, so we're good. Stop loss has been raised. And let's just look at this real quick. We are risking $1.17 on this exchange for the possibility of making 18. Trading very low amounts here. Are we in ZBZN here? Yes, we are. So on this exchange, we're going to change this up also. Bring that stop right to that wick low. So now we're risking $7 for the opportunity of making 125. Great. Great. ZBZN. We're good. We're kosher. We're chilling. Let's check out SQD. SQD hasn't confirmed a level yet, so we can't really raise the stop loss at all. which is unfortunate. Luckily, we're only aiming for a 4.88% move to the upside. I could technically raise a stop loss to this level. I just don't think it's worthwhile. So, we'll see what this thing does. We'll see. But ZBZN, stop loss has been risen. Stop has been risen. So, just minimizing the losses. That's really all it is. Minimize those potential losses. Going back to Bitcoin. Bitcoin's just chilling out. No big deal. Bonk pulled back again. Are we going to get a back test? Are we going to confirm this low? If we confirm this low, Bonk is set up for another trade. Kind of wild. Fart coin coming down as well. So we got out at the 8% mark. We're okay. We missed this peak. I'm still fine with it. Bearish divergence achieved. So we're good there. We're good there. We're going to stay focused on ZBZN. Looks like it has the most movement right now. So this might be the most entertaining. Just might be. We're going to just take those off. I don't expect to be here much longer. Oh, man. Solid day of trading, everybody. Solid day. So, if we go back into our trade history. Trade history. Not the history. Order history. Not order history. Position history. Position history. All right. How you gonna say I lost $192 on that? There must have been a lot of fees. That's unfortunate. We lost 5% on this trade where Bitcoin just dived down on our 50x long. However, we made it pretty big on Bonk here with a 26% gain. That was $808. No big deal. We're also up another $4. So net, we are up. And then this ton trade from yesterday, you guys got to see me close that one out. We gained 15%. We were up $406. So overall, the past 2 days, we're doing pretty good. Pretty good. I'm not disappointed with the performance. Not disappointed. A little $200 loss after making $1,200. We're still up $1,000. It's not that bad. Not that bad. Pretty hard to make that at your local KFC. So you know what? We're beating out the minimum wage employees. We're beating them out a little bit. We're beating them out. Who the fuck is it? Why am I getting so many friend suggestions on Facebook? And noted those bigger gains that I made on Buy DeFi. That's the copy trade account. I'm trying to improve my stats over there because I want to take that #1 slot. So, got to keep improving day after day. Just got to be better and better. Better and better. But yeah, I think the copy trade account, I'm done trying to trade in it today. So we're not even going to worry about it. We're going to just stick with this tiny little account that I have on the side. We're going to try and turn this $9 into something worthwhile. Hopefully that happens by the end of the week. If I'm lucky, I can average out about 2 trades a day. And if I can do 2 trades a day, the next 4 days, we should be doing good. So this is the idea that I have, is to average out at least 150% a day within 8 days. What can $9 get you? $13,000 if you compound them all. That's what I mean by, I really want to compound them and see if I can get there. I think we're in the environment where you can get a realistic 8 trades in a row. I think we are in the environment where that can happen. So I'm trying to do that across the board everywhere, and it's going to be really fun to do it live on stream, hopefully, but I do trade outside of being live, and I'm going to do my best to document every trade that I'm getting into, especially for the members inside of the Discord. just so you guys know, there is a member section. If you decide to become a member here on YouTube, then you get access to this as long as you attach it to your attach it to your Discord. If you do attach it, great, awesome. See you in the lounge. Thanks, Porky. Gotta run. Cheers, all. Enjoy your day. We will enjoy. Hopefully, you have a fantastic day as well. I do know I charge a large, hefty sum for my membership, but I think it might be worth it. If I can help you make that money back within the 30 days, I think it's worthwhile. But, you know, nothing's guaranteed. Member berries. Isn't there a new season of South Park out right now? Is there a new season? But yeah, for those of you who actually don't know and you don't feel like clicking on it, my memberships start at $5. Like it's really not much. It's just $5. So if I can help you make $5 within the month, or I even offer up $5 worth of entertainment value, then totally worth it, in my opinion. Thanks, buddy. No problem, Steve. Yeah, there is. Haven't seen it yet. I haven't seen it yet either. I'm still trying to get through the new season of Wednesday. I'm just lagging. Big time lagging out there. Big time lagging. Oh, ZBZN really needs to start moving. Otherwise, I'm going to be a little nervous. Actually, I'm not nervous at all because we lowered our risk tremendously on ZBZN. SQD, this one I'm a little worried on still. Really looking forward to get up here. We'll see how it goes. We're negative on ZBZN again? Jesus. ZBZN just chopping around. Chop. What is FWOG doing? This thing is up like crazy. What? Look at FWOG go. Nice pullback. To what level? Oh, this level of support? Then it's running? Yeah, I'm up 15% on the day. Missed that one. Where's the God candle at? There's no God candle. Remember, all they're doing right now is repricing in the rate cuts. Like, so the easiest trade you could have done was on the daily, where you're like, oh, where were we during the last FOMC meeting when we got rate cut idea taken away? We were up around where we're at now. That's really all it is. So they're repricing in the rate cuts. Maybe they decide to continue up because new buyers should have stepped in down here. That's really all that we're playing. So all it is, it's just the altcoins. The reason why I want to look to trade a lot of altcoins is because they got beaten down. like they went down bad. It's interesting. No, it's just kind of what it was. It was like right around here. Fed Chair Jerome Powell was like, no rate cut. Yeah, right here on the 30th. No rate cuts for you. So we dipped. And then all of a sudden, jobs report came out. Say what? You cut and you liar? Like, we're above where we started. So that's a good thing. Degenning XCN. XCN has weird price movements. I don't like XCN. It has really weird price movements. If it didn't have such strange price movements, I could get on board with that. But, no, that thing's weird. Thing's weird, man. It's weird. Alright, so the ZBZN trade, 15-minute. It honestly looks like, hey, we're going to get that continuation to the upside. On a continuation from this low right here, you're looking for 5149. So if you do see a lot of turbulence there and you don't want to stick around in ZBZN, you might just see a 4.53% move to the upside. Number to keep on your radar, 51409. And then right after that, you have a 786 sitting at 51709. So those two levels could act as some resistance for ZBZN, but my profit taking level is up here. It is a previous 618 golden retrace, and you're looking at 54165. That is really what I'm looking at, and I'm going to let this thing right on out. Either you stop me out or you give me profits. There's no in between. SQD still in this trade as well. We're looking for it to get up to 15159 or 15161, one of the two. But I think the trades are going to pan out today unless something happens where Wall Street starts taking hefty profits. If they start taking hefty profits on their leverage longs, it's going to get really gross really fast. If they don't, well then Ethereum does have a case to go up and test the all-time highs. Bitcoin has a very strong argument to get up to 120,762, and we're going to ride off into the sunset, letting our hair flow in the wind. Other honorable mentions are going to be Bonk. Bonk looks really good for a ton of upside. 618 golden retrace is up here at 2678. Another one is for Fartcoin. Fartcoin to continue its move to the upside. This was a 14% move. You can wait for another leg up. No big deal. Pengu looking pretty interesting as you just cleared your high or recent choppy zone, but you cleared a high. Looking for a higher low somewhere in this range down here to then make your 618 golden retrace on the day that was a 7% move. It looks like it's setting up for another leg up. So everything's looking crazy bullish right now. It's really hard to say which one's going to be the fastest or the best. In my opinion, I do think ZBZN is going to give you the best opportunity of gains today, but that's just my opinion. Other than that, guys, I'm going to get on out of here. It is 10:45 a.m. for me, and I'm going to go play with the children. I'm going to see you guys later. Members, be ready with your requests, and let's see how the day ends. Deuces, everybody. I appreciate each and every one of you. Also, if you do want to join the exchanges, so BloFin, amazing deposit and trading bonuses down there, description. Find the links to do all that. And then Buy DeFi, outstanding deposit bonuses. If you deposit up to 5K, you get a deposit bonus of up to $1,000 to trade with, and you keep all of the gains that you get out of it. So hopefully you all enjoy taking advantage of stuff like that. Other than that, guys, I'm getting out of here. Deuces, everybody. See you later. Take it easy. I will, Kitty Kush, I will. Also, join the free Discord, everybody. Join the free Discord.